Today I thought I would talk about secret tools that I love and use every day. And just to clarify, this video is not sponsored in any way, shape or form. These are all tools that I use on a regular basis, sometimes daily, and I genuinely love. So let's get straight into it. So the first secret tool that I love is Snapseed. This is a photo editing app and I've used many over the past few years, and this is one I just come back to because I just find it really simple, but there's so many different ways you can control filters or like the editing of a photo. You can even like whiten one area of a photo. So I think it's really the best photo editing tool I've ever used personally. The second tool I love is called Unfold, which is used for Instagram stories. Now, I don't know whether you follow me on Instagram, I'll pop my link here, but I absolutely love Instagram stories as a way just to send little catch-ups and little behind-the-scenes shots in the studio and what I'm working on and that sort of thing. And what makes it perfect is that you can't really get it wrong because it's very limited in what you can change, and for most of us that's probably a really good thing. So if you want to jazz up your Instagram stories, then make sure you get Unfold. It's really good and you won't be disappointed. The third tool that I really love is called Unum, something like that. Basically this is a grid where you can plan out your Instagram. It basically mimics the style of Instagram with the 3 squares going across, and you can rearrange things and see what things will look like before you post them. For me, it really changed my Instagram game because it made me realise that to have like a cohesive look and colour and theme, it's really necessary to plan out your Instagram posts. So if you're not already, then this is a great tool, and yeah, I use it every single time I use Instagram. The fourth tool that I really love is called Canva, and basically you can create so many different graphic design elements. You can create social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, you can create flyers, business cards. It's really good for those of you that don't have a graphic design background or don't have like things like Photoshop to use, and it makes it so simple. All you have to do is drag and drop and then edit the text, and it's so simple to use. So if any of you have your own businesses and are looking for different graphic design elements and you don't have the money to pay someone to create it for you, then Canva is a really good option. Now the last tool that I love is Photoshop. So I know that many of you don't have Photoshop, it is expensive. There is an alternative called GIMP, which pretty much does the same thing. If you're just looking for the basic tools of Photoshop, then GIMP is really good and it is free. So you can download that off their website. I use Photoshop for so many things. I use it for editing photos for prints. Sometimes I use it to create YouTube thumbnails. Something that I get asked a lot about that I use Photoshop for is the mock-up pictures where you can see the painting sort of in situ. So basically what I've done is bought an image online like Shutterstock or iStock Photo, and then uploaded my picture onto it in Photoshop and do a drop shadow, and there you go. So I get asked a lot about that, how to achieve that look. So yes, I will do that in Photoshop, but you can completely do it in GIMP as well. If you guys would like a tutorial on this, then just let me know in the comments and I will really try and do that for you. So I think for now they are all the tools that I use on a really regular basis, if not every day, that have really helped me succeed in building a social media and having all you lovely people to come and have a cup of tea with. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed that video. I'd love to hear of any tools that you guys love and depend upon. So let us all know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, let me know by hitting the like button and subscribing. It means so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!